Quick and easy. 4 ingredients. Stay tuned. Hey guys, Renovating Renee here again, and today I'm going to make another easy pasta salad. 4 ingredient, maybe 5, but 4 ingredient pasta salad. We're going to use the tricolor rotini pasta, some mixed veggies, some albacore tuna, and some sweet relish. This dish is quick and it's filling. So come along and see how easy it can be. Okay guys, I let my pasta cool down a little. I just put it in the freezer for a few minutes, and after this it's gonna go pretty fast. So now I'm going to add the drained mixed vegetables. The colors are gorgeous. I'm going to add the tuna. I also drained it, and this is albacore tuna in water. I got that all out. I'm gonna add a little black pepper. We don't have to put any salt in it because I salted the pasta water. We're gonna add some sweet relish. I love sweet relish, and I kind of drain the grease off the sides a little. So I do put a lot of this in there. This is my fave in any kind of salad. Now I'm going to just add a little mayo. You can put how much ever mayo you want. I don't put that much in this, but we'll mix it and see how much we need. And guys, that's really it. I mean, I just put a little mayo on it just to kind of wet the noodles a little, but I don't use that much mayo, and it's really good just like this. So I do like a lot of sweet relish in mine, but you know, it depends on what you like. And the veggies just add something to it. I mean, it's really tasty. You don't have to put so much mayo because not everyone likes mayo, but this is basically it, and it's so filling and it tastes great. So now I'm just going to refrigerate this and eat it later. And that's it. 4 ingredient pasta. Thanks for watching. So guys, here is the finished product. Doesn't that look yummy? I just added some cucumbers for an extra bit of crunch, almost like if you had some like some crackers with your salad. So I just got some cucumbers. But yeah, that's the pasta salad. Just a little mayo, and you have your relish and your other mixed vegetables, your albacore tuna. Yeah, so that's it. See you later, renovator.